What up, though? What up, though? Frank Nitty, two T's, like two titties, coming from Chosen Girls channel. It's another exclusive, the Maddie and Gerald Bando. Y'all see what's popping? They filling that hole. The Maddie and Gerald Bando. The last of the Maddie and Gerald Bando. They filling that hole. No matter how big the hole, they got a truck on swole to definitely fill the hole. The Maddie and Gerald Bando. Y'all see what's popping? Look at the trucks, man. They got them lined up to fill that hole up. I see two trucks, two dump trucks. It's Frank Nitty, baby. Two T's like two titties, coming from Chosen Girls channel. The Maddie and Gerald Bando, they filling that hole up. Y'all see that? That's the last of the Maddie and Gerald Bando as they fill the hole to the Maddie and Gerald Bando. Y'all see that? Y'all know how we get down. The Maddie and Gerald Bando to the final end as they fill the hole